Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin and Tesla pumped again. The stock market pumping, Bitcoin pumping. We had a move up all the way to 66,000. 66,000, which is amazing. Huge V-shaped recovery, big volume coming in the last few days, which is perfect, and straight up move. Bull flag breaking out, no pullback. And look at this big move from 62,000 all the way to 65 yesterday. Huge move with very big volume. At one point, there was a massive volume spike. Thousands of Bitcoin were bought. When Bitcoin shot up to 66,500, there was like 1,000 massive Bitcoin traded there. Huge volume. People talking in the chat. This guy telling people take gains, but make sure you do your own due diligence. Don't just listen to what people say. Do your own TA. I am not taking profits because of this massive volume. And you can see the last 15 minutes just still climbing with huge volume coming in. It's not, even though it is the weekend, the ETFs have started, the weekend has started, the ETFs closed, we still had huge volume supporting the price, which is interesting, just straight up climbing. Crypto market cap 2.4 trillion, total views 170,000. You can set this up on your TV, bitcoinprice.live. You get a $60,000 bonus when you use this link and trade on Bybit. We're now in greed, 64 in greed, 52% Bitcoin dominance, funding fee almost negative still. Bitcoin 65,700. This is on the 15-minute chart, and you can just see massive rise. Now we're going to jump into the charts. I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trades. I'm going to show you Tesla technicals. We're going to do Ethereum technicals, and I'm going to show you my $730,000 account, which had a massive move this week, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're jumping in charts for Bitcoin. It already reset the timer. Tesla pumped yesterday. Let's go into Bitcoin 65,700. Onto the weekly charts. On the monthly charts, we have 3 days remaining. Massive volume on the month. Bull flag, cup and handle. Stochastic heading up. Everything's still looking amazing after the halving. Let's go into the weekly. Weekly stochastic heading up. What's interesting is there was big escalations with Lebanon and Israel yesterday and no movement down on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin isn't caring about what's happening in the Israeli war anymore. Breaking out, volume rising, stochastic coming up. Crypto Guru bot you get in the Crypto Master Course, fired a buy in February 2023, still a blue buy now. You get at jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy last week, still a buy now, which is beautiful. Stochastic heading up, squeeze mob going green, everything looking amazing. Let's go into the daily. On the daily, the W formation I've been talking about playing out beautifully. Target 69k. Also, we're above the 200 moving average. Squeeze mob is still green, turning slightly gray. Stochastic still heading up. We managed to get a breakout of this channel. I still see that W that takes us to, there's a big resistance here at 68. There's a point to take profit. You can see multiple points times it boop, 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 hit 68 resistance. However, I'm not going to, well, depending on the volume, but this weekend I won't, depending on what happens. However, I'll keep watching it. But with the ETFs closed, there could be a drop in price, but at the moment, it's still very bullish how everything's acting. Let's go into stochastic heading up, squeeze mob, W formation, resistance point, big resistance will be at 68. So there you could take profit on a rejection because it will take time to break through. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we broke through this bull flag. It just smashed through the bull flag I talked about yesterday, everyone. If you followed my videos, I talked about this bull flag yesterday. Bull flag builds pressure, breakout, and that's playing out perfectly. On the 1-hourly charts, you can see it more clearly. We didn't get a pullback at all. Maybe on the weekend now, we get a bit of a pullback with the ETFs closed. If you want to try and get in, 64,652 open, 64,230 stop loss. Take profits. One will be 76, 72, 88 will be a big one, 105 is one, 150 is one, and 269 is the target. Risk to reward of this trade would be risking 424 to make 205,000, risking $421 per Bitcoin to make 200,000 if it hits the bull market top October 2025. That's my target. Clear W on the hourly that broke out as well, which was beautiful. And now we're pushing out here. Don't see any major pattern. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. 64,652. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video, sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus if you use this link. It's the best exchange. If you've been losing money on exchanges, if you're worried about fees, if you've been liquidated, Bybit, in my opinion, is the best exchange and doesn't have those problems. And take the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com, to learn all this. And you can just see some people's comments. I bought your course a few months back, bought a Harley Davidson. You're truly the best trader. Interest at heart, people's best interests at heart. I'm going to continue promoting your channel with everyone. Bought a villa, made $500,000 in the process of buying $2 million house. My portfolio hit $1 million. You can see everyone talking about it. Let's go into my Bybit account. Now 739,000. This week I made from 683 to 740. Okay, say 40K round up. So 40K plus 17K. So I made $57,000 this week, which is beautiful. And this month, I went from 565 to 739. So almost $180,000 this month. $50,000 this week, almost $180,000 this month, which is beautiful. Congratulations, all gurus. That's my live account. This is my Bitcoin trades and why we made so much money. This is when I sold Bitcoin at 65. Bought Bitcoin at 52, and now we're back at 65. Funding fee is negative, everyone. The funding fee is negative at 65K. My Bitcoin trade is $62,000 in the profits. You watched me open this trade. At one point, it went negative 30,000. Now 62,000. Wild ride the last 2 weeks. I'm getting paid now to keep this trade open. It's a $430,000 trade. Funding fee is negative, so I'm getting paid. And big congratulations, 62,700. Uniswap was up 4% today as well. And you can see my buys on Uniswap were perfect. This is when I sold Uniswap, $6.40, bought Uniswap, $5.50, and now we're at $7.60. My breakdown of my account, 8% in Uniswap, 27% in cash, 20% in Doge, 18% in Bitcoin, 15% MCRT, 7% Ethereum. 739,000, which is amazing. Big pump up in the account this month. Almost $200,000 this month. 50K this week. 160K cash. Doge up massive 5%. Remember how I put 100K into Doge 2 weeks ago? Now it's 120K. Bitcoin 109K, up 1%. Doge pumped a lot, actually, 5%. MCRT 90K, slightly down, 2% after the announcement. Uniswap up 4%. I had 50K. Ethereum 2%, up 40K. Pocket up 1.3%. Let's go into Doge, because Doge pumped massively, and Uniswap. Let's do Doge and Uniswap, actually. Tesla also had a massive pump yesterday, 2.4%. If you bought Tesla with me, if you were following my my buys, we bought Tesla at $141. If you remember, back in April, $141 we bought Tesla. We are now up 89%, and also Tesla has now broken out of this massive symmetrical triangle, everyone. Massive symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, breaks out, and it goes into 10th of the 10th, the Tesla robo-taxi announcement day. As it's breaking out, it's a massive catalyst to take us to 578. We're already up 89% since we bought the bottom. This is when I bought the bottom, and I showed all of you. You can follow me here on X. I've got 92,000 followers. A lot of people are missing out on this Bitcoin bull run. This was me as well telling everyone, this is Department of Government Efficiency, the richest man in the world. If you're not getting Doge after the richest man in the world just shared it, you might be missing out on something fun. Doge is up around 30% since we bought it. Magicraft Chronicles, new Web3 browser in-game show for Magicraft games, 500 game downloads in the last week, 460 million MCRT stake. Check out the results. Tesla up 2.2% towards the close of the week, 87% since I bought at 141. And this is when I was buying, 22nd of April, adding more to Tesla here at 141. And now we're sitting up 87% at 260. Big congratulations to all of you. And I wanted to show you as well. This is when I was telling, did you prepare? Elon's been repeating this multiple times each day recently. Prepare Doge. And now Doge is massively pumping. Congratulations, everyone. On the technicals of Doge, I'm just going to do a Doge, and then tomorrow I'll do Uniswap, everyone, because it's video. Descending wedge on Doge, breaking out exactly as I've been warning everyone. I've been telling you, Elon is tweeting about it. Get ready, prepare, 20-cent target. We are now at 12 cents, which is amazing. Big congratulations. It doesn't sound much, but already off the bottom since we bought it, you're talking about 38%. So if you put 1 million, you have 1,1,380,000. If you put 1,000, you have 1,380. If you put 100, you have $138. If you put 10 million, you have 13 million. If you 13,800,000. If you put 100 million, you have 130 million. See how it works? It's amazing. Congratulations, everyone. If you haven't taken a trade on Doge, I would pull it back here to 11 cents. Stop loss there. I'll leave it at that. Everyone, big congratulations to all of you. Really, congratulations on amazing gains on Tesla, Bitcoin, Doge, Uniswap. Huge gains. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let me know any tickers you want me to analyze or any questions. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.